back to my channel, Keep My Life in Order. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning a living room and the front entryway. We're going to be cleaning some baseboards and some window sills, and also I'm going to share with you guys a secret in order to keep your front entryway smelling extremely fresh. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. For those of you who like to keep your shoes in your front entryway, fun fact, to keep the, a nice fresh scent, you want to probably use some Gain dryer sheets is the ones that I like to use, or you can use any kind. And you're simply going to, cut the dryer sheet in half, and you're going to place each dryer sheet in the shoe, and that way it helps with preventing the odor from lingering throughout the room. This particular client, she wanted me to semi-organize their front entryway as well and clean off some things, so this is one thing that I told her that I was going to do, and she was really appreciative of it. Alright you guys, this is the life of a YouTuber. I decided I was going to go ahead and keep this clip in here, but you really won't be able to see exactly what I'm doing. You can kind of get an idea. But I'm actually just cleaning like 2 stands that they have for the aquariums that's sitting on here. And I'm just cleaning like these front little counter the stands that they have in the front area of this room and dusting some things. But I'm so sorry you guys. I really thought my camera was in the correct position, but it's not. But I did not want to leave this clip, so I decided to just keep it in the video. Alright you guys, that concludes today's video. My client, they were extremely happy with their results. They were very, very happy. These clients, they are pet owners, so they have to deal with a lot of pet hair, and so for them just to get this overall look, and they like to feel it at home and how everything turned out, they were very, very happy. So please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you think. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye you guys.